Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for January the 8th, 2013 onwards to the 11th. Looking at the highs and lows of January the 7th then, mainly in Ireland, Wales and southern England, the high temperatures 12s and 11s there you can see. The low temperatures, Linton-on-Ouse 5, Fylingdales 5 and plenty of places in Scotland at around 6 degrees as well, among the other locations. And here we have the average temperature we've seen this month so far, which as you can see is quite a bit above average. Day by day temperature records available on the website. Back to the big picture then, with air pressure there, you can see a high pressure remaining over Europe for the next few days. Low pressure trying to creep in, but not really penetrating the high pressure area over the next few days. Looking at Tuesday then, another mild day, much like the ones we've been having lately, but a lot more rain, particularly in central and southern parts, southwestern parts of England, as well as western parts of Scotland there, with some sun trying to peek through. 10s and 11s, the highs, double figures once again in the middle of January, which is quite rare to see. 8 up in Scotland. However, the nighttime temperatures won't be as mild as what we've seen recently, mainly because there's much more clear skies in the area, particularly along the east coast. However, there is rain down in the southeast, pushing eastward there. Tuesday night temperatures as low as 4s and 3s, 2 in Ireland, meaning frost could occur there. For Wednesday, the clear skies stay with many of us, particularly in the northeast there, but in many other areas sun will be fairly prominent. A little bit of rain up there in the Shetland Islands of Scotland, but that means it's much cooler as well, temperatures struggling really to reach more than 5 degrees except along the south coast. Cloud building back in Wednesday night in many areas in the form of fog, and that also means that it's pretty chilly on Wednesday night as well, particularly in Scotland. Temperatures as low as 0, maybe even -1 in the Highlands, and maybe even colder than that out in rural areas, meaning ice possible there. And then we move into Thursday. The further north you are, the colder it will be. Drizzly though for most areas, almost all, which could turn into sleet in some parts of Scotland. You can see Glasgow there under sleet. Temperatures 1 to 3 in Scotland, in rural areas even colder than that, 7s and 8s in the south. Moving into Thursday night, another chilly one, mainly because of clear skies, particularly in western and southern areas. A little bit of cloud elsewhere with possibly rain in the Scottish Highlands. Temperatures low, 4 degrees if you're lucky really, as low as 1 in some areas of Scotland. So it appears that there isn't a big freeze on the cards just yet, but it is getting colder. And find out more on the website, force13.com.